Hello everyone, I am Vitaliy from Health Samurai, and today I want to discuss our experience for designing intuitive UIs for template-based extraction for non-technical users. Let me introduce myself. I'm Vitaliy Banchenko and full-stack engineer from Health Samurai. I'm working in Box Forms team, and I'm worked in health IT and fire for past 5 years and almost in the IT industry for 15 years. And I work on different roles and domains. This is our today agenda. At first, we will discuss what is extraction. After that, we go into why template-based extraction. And after that, why do we need a UI for it? Then I show you the demo, how it works, and in the end, I will share our future challenges. What is extraction? Extraction is process of transforming questionnaire response into structured file resources. Why we need it? Fire enables data exchange, but this data exchange must be known. Заново. Блин, Маш, прости. Так. Hello everyone, I'm Vitaliy from Health Samurai, and today I want to share our experience for designing intuitive UIs for template-based extraction for non-technical users. Let me introduce myself. I'm Vitaliy Banchenko from Health Samurai. I'm worked in 8-Box Forms team, and I work for last 5 years in health IT and fire, and almost 15 years in the IT completely in different roles and different domains. This is our agenda for today. At first, we go to answer to the question, what is extraction? After that, we discover why we need template-based extraction. And after that, we move into the question, why do we need a UI for it? Then I show you a demo, and in the end, I share our future challenges. What is extraction? Extraction is a simple process of transforming questionnaire response data into structured file resources. Why we need this kind of process? Fire, by default, enables data exchange and reuse in different contexts. But to be able to process the data, we need to know its structure upfront. Questionnaire and questionnaire response are different kind of resources. They are created by humans and they have arbitrary structure. And extraction plays the main role here. It maps questionnaire response to structured file resources. Why template-based extraction? Currently, there exists several kinds of extraction methods, and this is the last one and the fresh one. Why it? This method is more idiomatic and intuitive to fire users because you just create file resources, and this method also powerful. You can set any filters of the resources with the template, and also it decouples extraction logic from the questionnaire itself, which enables a better maintenance of questionnaire. How it looks under the hood. Imagine we want to create a form with body weight, and we want to extract this body weight to observation. We create a questionnaire, add item body weight to it, and create template new observation. After that, we need to make a link between item and template. And this is done via template extract extension. On the other side, template should have some fire path expressions, which will extract data from the questionnaire response. Okay, we create such kind of questionnaire. After we try to fill it with our answers, and we get questionnaire response as a result with answer to this item. And as complete result, we get observation resource with predefined fields and this extracted value. Everything is done via fire extensions. This kind of extraction mechanism, and template always contained in the questionnaire. Let's go deeper. And why we need UI for this kind of extraction? First of all, I want to mention that we create UIs for non-technical users. And to authoring JSON is very difficult for non-technical users because it requires to understanding the JSON semantics, requires understanding of file structures, and this method is like prone to errors, and it's hard to validate and test the result of writing template. Our UI provides several features which eliminates common errors and also guides the structure of file resources and remove a lot of manual effort for knowing data. And the last one, it hides the file path complexity for simple use cases. Okay, how it works. Let's go to imagine we want to create a template. At first, we must select the correct resource type for our template. In this regard, we provide a tool like template schema selection, which contains all file resource types. This also guides users to use the correct data from the very beginning. After that, when we create a new fresh template, we want to fill it with data, and we want to make we want to be able to inspect it and navigate. And we provide here a tree view structure, which mirrors file structure from their file specification. This reduces the cognitive load because you can like move all your experience from one side to this tool. Also, this tool gives you ability to search for known fields in the search bar. And when you search a field and select it, the next job is to pick a value for it. And here we will also provide a set of tools which streamline value selection. First of all, you can select any field from the questionnaire response. Under the hood here will be created some fire path and store it as like fire extension. After that, we also have several different types of lookups. If you, for example, want to set the code for the questionnaire, for the observation, you can pick this value from the questionnaire response or from questionnaire. We have local item codes lookup. If it exists somewhere, you will see it here. Also, we have basic value set lookups. If some value like a status have some bound, it's bound to the value set. We try to load that value set and give all options for you. And also, in these cases, when you extract several resources and want to bind them in some way, you have cross-reference lookup. Also, when you create a template, it's very helpful to have some validation. We have this embedded. And also, it's very helpful to have a console for testing. You can test your resulted created resource. It will be validated and also like return you the whole bundle with several resources, which for all templates. Let's demo. I will show you with example how to create a basic template-based extraction. Here you can see our form builder. On the left side, you see the structure of the form and name of the form. Next to it, the section with setup and configuration of form or item, depend on what's selected. After that, the main part is just rendered form. And on the bottom, we see debug panel where you can debug everything and also debug extraction. Let's try to add extraction for body weight. We select body weight, go to the bottom in the setting menu, select data extraction section, and select the template method. After that, we create new template. Currently, you can see our template editor. This is the main part which described in our current presentation. Here I can see our schema selection, like resource type. We need observation. Select it. After that, our system like loads the whole schema and show you every field is accessible. And currently we see that our schema is invalid because code and status should be required. Let's try to fill the status field. And here we see our loaded options from value set. And select final one. Okay. One issue is left. Code properties required. We see it here. Also, there are like inline error. Code is like a vector or array of codes. We should add at least one of them. Let's try to add value here. And also we found that our item body weight contains some codes. Let's select this. And we already have defined code here from the item. Okay, let's try to extract this value. Okay, we get the empty bundle. This is because we did not fill any information in our form. Let's try to fill it and extract once more. Okay, this time it's return the resources. We currently can see our observation resource with status final and with defined code. Super. For observation, we need to set the value. We see this value field. But in Fire, this field is polymorphic, and also our system knows it, and it gives you the all options which you need. Currently, we need the value quantity because body weight is just value with known unit, kilograms. Check it and try to pick the value. And here we have like an example like answer to body weight. When I click it, under the hood, there are created FirePass expressions which just extracts data from the response. Let's try how it works. Okay, look here and we see our value quantity, 100, 100. Seems it's working. Okay, and maybe it's a good practice for observations to add a date of measurement. And I already know how this field is named. I can just search for it. This template editor, effects, effective data. And also, like more experienced user, I can just fill fire path here. And let's try to check is it valid or not. Okay, we get effective daytime. And it seems that our template is complete and valid at the same time. Also for non-technical users, we provide like code section when you can just see how it looks under the hood, the whole template with all extensions. And if our UI not satisfied you, you can go here maybe and add some extensions and other metadata. And after that, just go back and everything will be there. I think this is all that I want to show currently. Let's go back to our presentation. Okay, what insights we get from our development? At first, we understand that our UI and UX design and implementation took way more than developing the extraction engine for template-based extraction. And second one, that solutions, like user-friendly solution is a key to driving adoption of Fire and SDC. I think it's bring more attention to our standard, and like I assume we need to make more kind of solutions in that regard. And what next? We want to add more deep terminology integration to be able to look up for codes, not only for small enumerated sets, but bigger ones with some search. And also we want to add some profile integration. Currently we provide only all resource types, but there will be some profiles with some predefined data. And also we want to make extraction more visual by providing a graph of questionnaire with extracted resource types and resources, like connected. Okay, and you can try our form builder by this link or just scanning this QR code. It's completely free. You can create the form and template-based extraction and any kind of extraction there. And we love to hear any feedback or ideas. Maybe you have some questions. I'm happy to answer them. And let's keep it in touch. If you have any questions to me, you can reach me via email or via LinkedIn. Thank you.